What's going on, everybody? We're back at it with another autocross session in my Genesis Coupe. This time, I'm feeling a lot more comfortable behind the wheel. I'm starting to trust the car more and get into a rhythm, but there's definitely still a lot of work that I need to do if I want to get any faster. So let's just go ahead and jump into these runs and see where I can keep improving. To start things off, I will say that I'm getting better at looking ahead and planning my inputs instead of reacting at the last second. It's crazy how much of a difference just keeping your eyes up makes. You can already see I'm carrying more speed through the first slalom compared to last time. Here's where I still need to dial it in. I'm either braking too late and upsetting the car, or braking too early and losing too much speed. Finding that perfect braking point is tough but super satisfying when you nail it. And yeah, I already know seat time is key and every run is helping me fine tune it. Overall, I'm excited to see where I can go with this autocross stuff, and I know that each event that I go to is making me more and more confident with the car and pushing it to its limits. This first run was actually my worst run of the day, and I believe I got better each run, so I'm just gonna be quiet from now on and let the car do the talking.